Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing a very important information of change in KCET option entry process. How to pay KCET option entry fees, step-by-step procedure. Yes, you heard it right. Guys, there is a big change in option entry in 2025. So if you want to do the option entry, you have to pay the fees. Then only the candidate option entry link will be enabled. So yesterday, you all know that there is a KEA workshop conducted all over Karnataka in Mysore, Bangalore, Bagalkot, Mandya, Hassan and all. So there they have clearly explained how much fees you have to pay and how to pay, when to pay and everything they have covered in that webinar. So guys, I have explained in 15 minutes what and all they have discussed in the KEA workshop. So we have made a detailed video also on that. So the link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video. And guys, they have discussed the fee structure also. For NEET, what is the fee structure? For engineering, what is the fee structure? For dental, what is the fee structure? So that video also we have made, so link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video guys. So guys, try to share this video as much as possible to your friends, because this is a very important step. From this year they have introduced that. From previous year and all, we don't have an option to pay for this KCET option entry fee. So now they have changed the procedure. So this is a very important video. And guys, watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this KCET option entry fees. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. Before starting this video, let me tell you one important thing. So as I was keep on telling in my previous video, so if you get a good college, you will get a good placement. So for that you have to do the good option entry. Now they are taking fees also, so you need to be clever when you will do your option entry. There is no second chance to add options and all. So I will be making a detailed video on how to do option entry in our upcoming videos guys. For that you need to have a clear picture what and all colleges you are selecting. You have to prepare a list and you have to sit in the option entry. So that's why you all know that in our previous videos we were keep on telling that we are helping students for making the option entry simple for them by seeing their rank and by seeing their option category. We will prepare a college list and will send you. By seeing that college list, you will get a clear clarity which college you will be getting for your rank. So if you are interested, so we'll provide the Google form in the description. You can fill that Google form and you can take our service. And guys, it is for limited price. It's just for 250 rupees. Many students have taken, many parents also have taken this service. If you are really interested, you can pay, you can fill the Google form. After that we will contact you. So this is what I want to tell. So let us start our video. So guys, this is the first step. So as you can see, from this year there is no secret key code and all. So you have already got the document verification slip link. You have to download that verification slip. In that you will get a QR code. So the first step will be the QR code. You need to scan that QR code, and the second step will be log in with the application number and option entry CET number you have to do, and then you have to enter the OTP received in your registered mobile number. So make sure the number which you have given for KA, it should be active. So if you enter the OTP, then only you will go to the next step. And the first step will be candidate live photos for face recognition and log into the enter option entry portal. So this is also a new step they have introduced. So you only need to do the option entry. You have to sit in front of the webcam, and you need your face should be recognized by the webcam, and after that only you can able to do the option entry. So this is also one more new step they have added. So let us proceed to the next slide. Here see, after completing that webcam face recognition and all, you will land it to this page where you can see the alert message. So in alert message they have clearly mentioned all category candidates need to pay a fees which is non-refundable of 750 rupees. All category SC, ST, 2BG, General Merit, Hyderabad, Karnataka, whichever quota it is, NEET, medical, dental, engineering, whichever you are trying to take seats through KEA, you have to pay the 750 rupees amount. Then only you are eligible, you will be allowed to do the option entry. Guys, they have clearly mentioned this. The above alert message will flash on the screen to make the payment of rupees 750, that is non-refundable. So in right side you can see there are two options, pay online and pay details. So you have to click on select pay online link for the payment. New tab will be opened for the making payment. So you have to select the pay online button, and then this screen will come. Here you can pay through your debit card, credit card, net banking, whichever whichever will be helpful for you, that you can do. And after that, see messages for successful payment and payment history. See, there is a first option payment and second option payment details. Everything it will show. After successful payment, go to the previous tab, home page. So you have to click on that home page. So this is how you need to pay 750 rupees. You have to click on pay online, then you need to select which payment option you want to do. Then you have to pay 750 rupees, and this payment details and all it will show. After that you need to click on home page. So the next step will be, see, a candidate option entry link will be enabled. Option entry links get enabled after payments of 750 rupees. If you have paid the option entry payment link if you have paid through option entry, that pay online link, and if you have completed the payment of 750 rupees, then only you are eligible for candidate option entry. You need to do, if you want to do option entry, you have to pay 750 rupees. I hope you got a clear clarity how you have to pay the KCET option entry fees, that is 750 rupees. From this year they have started a new thing. Guys, I hope everything you are clear now. Try to share this video to your friends, to everyone, because it's a very important step from this year they have introduced. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. And as I said, if you are really interested in that paid counseling help for limited price 250, see, you are already paying 750 rupees, so that is non-refundable. So you have to do the proper option entry. So if you are really interested, you can take our service and we will contact you, and after that we will help you to get a good college. So this is all about our today's video, guys. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned.